So far, we've discussed ways to drive more safely. To do that, the class has presented a series of defensive driving principles, organized into the steps of preparation, anticipation, and response. These principles are intended to make driving safer, as well as less stressful for you and those who share the roads with you. The same principles became even more vital in helping to avoid any crashes that you can, and to make any that you can't avoid less severe. That's where defensive driving gets its name. So in this final lesson, we'll apply our principles in real-world situations. To do that, we'll examine behaviors that actually make a crash more likely. We'll talk about each of them in terms of adopting safer behaviors for yourself and what to do when you encounter these unsafe behaviors in others. That alone will make crashes far less likely to occur. We'll finish the class by discussing what to do when a crash seems imminent, what evasive actions to take so that either the crash doesn't occur or the impact of any crash that does occur is minimized. There's a lot to cover, so let's get to it.